Here we come to the elevators at the China World Trade Mall in Beijing, China. Gotta talk over the music to avoid any copyright, but this looks to be some sort of old vintage Fujitec elevator, and we got one that is coming down right now, so... Oh, it's almost here. All right, here it is. There might be an operator in it because I just rode this thing a second ago. Oh, what do you know? There's no one inside. All right, we're gonna go on to... Which would... Oh, here it is right here. This is an interesting button layout. This is an old Fujitec. All right, we're gonna go to 6. Oh, here's the door close button right here. I gotta go look at these fixtures. This is definitely an old one. Oh, I like that indicator. I love that chime. All right, I'm gonna switch down at B2. Check this out. It's got a bumper and also a sensor too. I'm not going to do the rest of the elevators because these are insane, because the rest of the mall elevators are incredibly, and I mean insanely busy. Oh, we're going to go ahead and switch down here to the other elevator car. We're going to switch down here. I want to get the big one over there. All right, here's the big one right here. All right, let's go back down to B1. B1. This is similar to the other elevator. It's good. These fixtures. Oh, this is one. Unfortunately, there's an operator in the other elevator. But anyways, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get off here. So with that being said, thanks for watching. That'll be it.